10 best foods to eat for neuropathy. Neuropathy, a condition affecting the peripheral nerves, can lead to numbness, tingling, and pain in the hands and feet. While treatment varies, the right nutrition can play a key role in supporting nerve health and reducing symptoms. Here are the 10 best foods to eat for neuropathy that may help calm inflammation and nourish your nervous system. 1. Salmon, packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon helps reduce inflammation and supports nerve cell function. It's an ideal protein for those managing nerve-related issues. 2. Turmeric, this golden spice contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Turmeric may help ease nerve pain and support overall nerve health. 3. Spinach, a great source of folate. Spinach supports nerve repair and function. It also provides antioxidants that help protect nerve cells from damage. 4. Liver, rich in vitamin B12, liver can be highly beneficial for nerve regeneration. B12 deficiency is a common cause of neuropathy, so including liver may be crucial. 5. Avocado, full of healthy fats and vitamin E, avocados help combat oxidative stress, a contributor to nerve damage. They also provide potassium and fiber. 6. Almonds, almonds offer vitamin B and magnesium, both essential for nerve function. A small handful daily can be a smart snack choice for neuropathy care. 7. Dark chocolate, high in flavonoids. Dark chocolate has neuroprotective properties. It may enhance blood flow and reduce nerve inflammation when consumed in moderation. 8. Broccoli, this cruciferous vegetable is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, helping reduce inflammation and support cellular repair in the nervous system. 9. Blueberries, loaded with anthocyanins. Blueberries are anti-inflammatory and antioxidant rich, offering protection to nerve cells and improving overall circulation. 10. Quinoa, a great source of magnesium and plant-based protein. Quinoa supports nerve signal transmission and muscle function. Adding these 10 best foods to eat for neuropathy to your diet can support nerve health and help manage symptoms naturally. Always consult a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.